All right, this one's gonna be on highmon. It is a highlight monitor for WeChat. So it looks something like this once you have it all set up. So you see at the top here, this is your highlight monitor, and whenever someone messages you or pings you, and then you will have whatever the channel is, or if you're using bit.ly or something like that, or your instant messenger, you can see that it has like this one Jabber or whatever it is, and you can see that people are messaging you up top here. Anyways, been using this for a long time, but haven't done a video on IRC in a while. But with all these news about Freenode, I thought I'd do some videos on it. So we're gonna start up WeChat here. Actually, let me delete my old configurations here, don't I? So we'll start up WeChat, and this is like a stock, no configurations or anything like that. Anyways, how do you set this up? First of all, you need to install highmon. So highmon, you just do /script install highmon.pl here. All right, so there you go. And now you have your highlight monitor. You can see that was on the side here. This is your highlight monitor. You can do was it Alt-2, to switch between them and all that. But we want to set up in a split, and the reason why that is because it looks prettier, and you can actually see it anytime on any channel you're at. So we're gonna do a /window split 30 here, right? And you see here up top here is splitting up 30%, I guess. Anyways, the next thing is we want to focus on the highlight monitor. You can do it manually, like doing Alt 2 here, but we want to stick with the command here just in case people get confused. So we do buffer highmon, and basically it'll switch to that buffer. And the next thing is we want to switch to window 1. Again, there's a hotkey for that too, but basically you can do 1 here and it'll jump down to the bottom here, right? The hotkey for that is either F7 or F8. So F7 or F8 to jump between the splits, right? But like I said, we're doing this like pure commands here. Anyways, next thing is we want to store the layout. So we do layout store, and this will store it as your default layout. There's multiple layouts you can save it to, but we want to save this to our default one here. So we're gonna do layout store here, right? And basically what that means is that whenever you close it and then you open it again, it'll always have that layout, this highmon here. So if you have other channels that you want to have it in a certain order, all you gotta do is do what was that one, layout, spell it right here. Why do you have the slash layout store, and then it'll always be the same layout that you have it with other channels also. All right, but anyways, that's what we want to do. And whenever you connect to a channel now and you have multiple channels or whatever it is, anytime someone messages you or something like that, it will be showing up on here, so you can actually monitor different chat windows or message. If you have like bit.ly installed, whatever it is, then it'll be up top here. Anywho, that is it for WeChat. If you guys still use IRC, maybe I'll do some more if people are interested. But with all that news about Freenode and everything and Libria chat, I thought I'd do an IRC tutorial. Anyways, that'll be it for this one.